Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90 that came to the shop because it was leaking at the group head and it just wasn't performing very well. So we ended up doing a tune-up and a pump replacement and then a couple other things. So the tune-up, we descaled the boiler, so both the coffee circuit and the steam circuit, and then we also deeping the group head and backflushed it, replacing the gaskets and shower screens. So you can see from this gasket, you can see it's really deteriorated, it's dried out, it's cracked, and it's very brittle. So we replaced that with a new gasket. You can also see here the shower screen. This main shower screen is really blocked. This thing, which I don't think they add to new machines, so actually I'm not familiar with this addition to the group head. This is also quite clogged up, so we replaced the shower screen as well. Then we replaced the pump. This pump's about 24 years old. It's from 2002. We installing a new pump. I added some new tubing for the pump. You can see this is old tubing. It's kind of hard here, and then I added an inline filter. The main reason I did that as well is because of I also replaced the tank. As you can see here at the bottom, the tank is missing the ball valve, just the spring is popping out. So whenever you would take the tank out and add water in it, it would spill water everywhere. That's about it for the service we did on this machine. I'm just going to test out steam and hot water. Refills. I'm going to test a shot of coffee. You don't have it dialed in for this machine. I think this is a smaller basket than I'm used to, so it might come out a little slow. But this is just demonstrating that the machine works as you'd expect. It's actually a little fast. I kind of overcompensated. But that was a bit of a fast shot. Probably add more coffee or make it a little finer. But yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching.